Hey everyone, my name is Isabella and this is Bizzi Art. This is a platform for origami enthusiasts, so all ages welcome. I make all the origami tutorials on here, so I try to make them with lots of descriptions as I'm folding, so it's easy to follow and to understand, especially for people who are just starting out as well. So you can make your own origami art, which is pretty awesome. I have a website at bizziart.com where I sell origami paper too. So if you check that out, you'll see that I've got products that are sourced from Japan. So I've got the real deal. I've been to Japan quite a few times and I absolutely love origami. I could go crazy with origami paper. So it's my pleasure to be able to sell this stuff to anybody who wants to check it out. I'm all over the socials like Instagram and Facebook, so you can see all the art that I've made over the years and getting out to markets and other little things that pop up. So yeah, have fun checking out the videos on the channel. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And feel free to subscribe so you get to see all the awesome stuff that pops up every so often. Make, create and fold with Bizzi Art.